In this video, we will learn how to delete Fiverr account. Let's get started. Here I am on the Fiverr website. Fiverr is a multinational online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire for their projects. If you want to delete your Fiverr account, first log in to your account. I am already logged in. I will go to my profile picture. Here, you can see the profile option, account dashboard, post a request, refer a friend, settings, billing and payments, change language, currency, help and support, and the last, logout option. I will click on settings. Here is the account deactivation option. Before deleting your account, please read these lines carefully. What will happen when you deactivate your account? Your profile and gigs will no longer be shown on Fiverr. Active orders will be cancelled. You will not be able to reactivate your gigs. If you agree with these instructions, choose a leaving reason from this dropdown. Choose any reason that best describes your reason for leaving. You can also explain the reason in your own words to help them understand your problem. Finally, click on Deactivate Account. This is how you can deactivate your Fiverr account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.